Hi, welcome back. I'm continuing my introduction from the first part. Whoever has not watched the first part, please watch the first part and then come to this part, otherwise, you will not understand. So, I was talking about the course called LDEP that was started by a great soul, Mr. Cyrus Mistry in Shapoorji Palanji. So I was part of that course and I finished that course successfully. So the whole agenda of that training course from Shapoorji Palanji was to make us into project managers. So a handful of us became project managers after that course. And immediately after I graduated from LTEP in Shapoorji Palanji, so I was made in charge. I was made a project manager of a project which was 120 crore value for Shapoorji Palanji. So this project is on the airport road, Bangalore. So at that point of time, the building name is called North Gate. It is today, I think, Cerner has occupied that building. It's a commercial space. So this building was my first project as a project manager, where I was around 28-year-old, 28, 29-year-old, if I'm right. It was in the year 2014. So I was a project manager. I had to handle all the department heads and the staff strength all put together was around 45 people, among them around 35 of them technical and 10 of them non-technical. So apart from that, there were around 700 labor at site. So I was the decision maker as a project manager for this project, and this was my first in charge as a project manager. So it was not easy, it was very tough. So though we were trained for performing our roles as project manager, it was not easy to be really performing them on site. Application was a problem because construction being a tough industry, there's a lot of hard work. Everyone is working hard. And if you want to change something, people are not open and very welcoming about that change. They will have their own ways of doing it, and monitoring each and every one of them on a site which is spread for more than 5-6 acres is not easy. So it was a tough time to implement everything that I wanted to implement, and I did. I faced some challenges and I was not really very successful. But to be honest, that was the best time of my life. As a project manager, I worked for close to 18 hours a day in making, aligning things, and really taking care of all the resources, taking care of everything is happening as per the requirement, and the deliverables are met on time. So it was not easy. It was a very tough experience, but thanks to the training that was given by Shapoorji Palanji, I was able to manage. I thought I will drown, but somehow I managed. So after this project in the year 2016, that is when I realized I have done enough as an employee, and I have to start something on my own. So in 2017 Feb, I quit Shapoorji in 2016 December, and I started a company. I found Adni Project Managers LLP, dedicating myself towards the service of project management consultation in construction. So from 2017 Feb, the second innings, I would call, in my life started. And until then, I didn't know what an entrepreneur life is, and it was not very easy. All that while I was with Shapoorji Palanji, I was running everything that I was running under a brand called Shapoorji Palanji, with the powers that was given to me as an employee, as a project manager. It was very easy. But once I became an entrepreneur, and once I started handling everything on my own without the credibility of Shapoorji Palanji, it was next to impossible. I had to change my plans almost every week. I had to make my decision to whether continue as an entrepreneur or break and go join back with some company and work as an employee. This kept running for 2-3 years, and there were oscillations, there were ups and downs. Teams were built, teams fell, and but I made a decision to not give up. So a breakthrough came long after 2017 Feb, that is after 3 years, uh, during COVID in 2019. So when all the companies and the entire industry was suffering, I had my breakthrough. I got my first biggest project. Until 2019, I was only doing projects to hardly survive and just keep it moving. In 2019, we got our first big project. It opened gates into real-time project management for Agni Project Managers LLP. So now, actually, after doing the real-time project management for close to 6 years now, after we got our first big project, I realized there is more to do. As a project management consultation company, we are more focused. Our role is to provide service. So if our service have to be provided, we have to have our representatives, like my representative on site, who is providing that service to my customers. So if that particular engineer is not trained the way he is supposed to be trained, I lose my face in front of my clients, and that particular engineer training cannot happen in just 1 day, 2 day. It is an on-job training. He will get trained for a period of over a year, which is a long time. And I also realized that I cannot hire people and maintain them on bench only for training, because it's a huge cost. I have to pay them salaries. So thinking about all this, I came to a conclusion to start a project management consultation training center where I'm going to hire, or the people who I hire for my project management consultation company, them also I will train, and I will also open this training for walk-in students, the aspirants in construction project management who want to learn how to do construction in a very scientific way. I am opening admissions for them as well. I am also going to open admissions for corporate tie-ups. So I am going to talk to all the companies that I was associated with at one point of time, because their trainings, their focus on trainings, though it is high, and they really have a very good training modules for them, our training here will definitely add value and will reduce their burden on their focus on training. So I will open up this as well. And going forward, I also have a vision to start a software product which will be subscribed by tier 2 construction companies for construction project management. And to use this product, it is definitely not an easy thing by somebody who doesn't know, who has not trained under this project management consultation company that I'm running, because this product completely will have our way of working, managing the project. So I want to train the people who will be serving with this software from the domain side on tier 2 companies. So when a tier 2 company owner subscribes to our software, so he will also get one person subscribed for using this product, because there are too many construction project management products in the market. They are failing because, not that they are not good, they are good, I have seen them, most of them, but they are failing because the application of those products on site is not everyone's cup of tea. It has to be applied in the right way. It has to be driven. It is like a revolution in anybody's company who subscribe to that particular product. So I don't want my software product to fail. So I'm very particular about it, and I want to make it happen. So I will deploy my person on site to make sure that my product works. So this is the vision behind starting this training center. So it is not only catering to the retail walk-in aspirants from various uh, branches of engineering, either be it civil, electrical, mechanical. These are the three branches which we look out for majorly: electrical, civil, and mechanical. So for these three branches, I also open this training for diploma graduates, not only engineering graduates. So even after completing your diplomas, are welcome here. We will train you, whoever is from civil, electrical, and mechanical background. So we are looking to build a workforce who are going to revolutionize how construction is going to happen in future. So we want to train them on the do's and don'ts in construction sites. We want to appraise them about how construction is being done and what is the nitty-gritty of construction, basically. So this is what the company is all about, and this is what the company's vision is all about. As a training partner for your company, whichever you are running, I'm talking to tier 2 company owners, we will definitely add value into your ways of construction. And I know you will not be able to invest your time as a tier 2 company on training your staff. You will be using up the staff as and when you get them. So you will be throwing stones to choose who really is good for your company. But our training tie up with you is going to make a difference in modulating the ways of your construction, which will increase your profits, which will definitely reduce wastage, and we are all set to add value to you as well. So you will have to wait to subscribe to our software product maybe for another 6 months. We will be going live in 6 months. So that is what is the plan. And yeah, I'll see you after 6 months with the software product that I'm going to develop, and then we will talk about it. So this is the planning that we have done in Subarashi Joint Bricks Private Limited as a company and as a vision. So yeah, I need all your support to transform this into a reality, materialize every bit of my plan, and make it a successful venture, and really do add value to the construction industry. So I would like to end this long video of mine. I would like to thank all of you who have really taken time out of your busy schedules to really watch this lengthy video of mine to understand what the vision of this company is. Thank you so much, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You will be getting more updates. I will be posting more videos about my trainings, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you so much.